Aussie dollar daily forecast February 9th, fxempire.com. The Australian dollar rose for most of the session on Wednesday but pulled back to form a shooting star. The fact that this did happen right at roughly the 108 handle really gets us to pay attention. It has been considered to be a barrier of sorts by the market, and obviously a large round psychological number that the markets will have to contend with. The shooting star that is forming towards the end of the session does suggest that perhaps we will see a little bit of a pullback at this point. The pair is like all others in the fact that it'll be influenced just as much by things going on in Athens than in Washington or Sydney. The fact that the market couldn't settle above the handle and form the shooting star does suggest that perhaps we are getting a little bit of fatigue when it comes to Athens and the European bailouts. Until that meeting actually comes with some kind of consensus, there's always going to be some massive headline risk. However, having said all of this, the Australian dollar still is strong and a pullback would be quite healthy and welcome. If we see this pair break the bottom of the shooting star, we suspect that we'll see a pullback and could see possible support at the 106-ish level, 105 and 104. Of course, 107 will probably come into play to a point, but the lower it goes, the more interested we become because we believe in the longer term implications of this recent move, and 104 is our line in the sand. So as long as we're above 104, we want to buy this pair in general. Pullbacks and supportive candles, such as hammers or bullish engulfing ones, or just nice large green ones, would be considered as buy signals at one of these handles above. Selling just will not happen until we get a daily close below 104, and since that is so far below us at the moment, it's not really even considered a thought currently.